name is John Dickinson, Managing Director of Braunswell Quarries. The material that we take out of here is UK Limestone. It's a general purpose material which is used mainly for fill for roads, oversights and factory bases. We do an awful lot of agricultural lime as well. Tonnage varies a great deal because we're being a small quarry. We don't have any particularly big jobs, so it's a lot of small stuff, but it averages anywhere from 500 to 1,000 tonne a day. We have a range of clients, they are builders, agricultural merchants, utility firms. On the EC480 we've got a rammer hammer, which we use at the face to get the raw materials out, ready to go through the crusher. Well, we use Sandvik an awful lot with the main machines, and rammer are attached to Sandvik, and we've had the rammer I think this is our third if not a fourth one over the last 10 years. The process really with the machine is that he starts at one end of the face, which is generally about 1 metre to 2 metres in depth, and he pecks along the full length of the face, and then the loading shovel comes up behind and clears as he goes along, and then he goes back round to the other end. This way seems to suit us. We used to blast, but now this is a much more efficient way and we don't get so much dust. The service has been very good. To be honest, we very rarely use them because it's just plodding along all day. The points, I don't like to say this, but the points we've not changed them. With it being a medium, softer, hard material, it doesn't wear the points out, so we don't have a lot of problem with the points. Well, the thing is with the auto lube, it makes sure it gets the right amount of grease at the right time. We used to grease the last one, which was fine, but the driver used to do it 2-3 times a day and get out and hand pump it. But this, he knows exactly what's in it and he knows exactly when he wants another cartridge put it in, so it seems to be working very well. Well, we'd like to think we could work it for 3 or 4 years, and then when it's still in fairly good condition, trade it in and then buy a new one. That's the best way to do it. It eliminates all the problems that you get. If you get any problems with it, it eliminates those and you get a fresh run. We've got on very well with rammer. We haven't tried to have it serviced every year, whether it's done 500 hours or 2,000 hours. We still try to have it done every year, and it does need to have a service, and I think it saves in the long run. The rammers keeps it well in front of the operation down with the crusher. He keeps well in front, and then when he's finished with the braking he goes off to do something else, and that leaves him plenty of time to keep well ahead of him. Well, the 3288 is an ideal size. It is a big hammer, but it's well boss of the job, and we find it's a lot easier to be boss of the job than getting a smaller one which will struggle to do it. So at the minute we'd stop with the same size or a newer model if there is one in 3 years' time.